Hello everyone, this is Sarang. I'm gonna teach you how to develop an Android application on Android Studio. It will be a very basic tutorial in which you will learn how to create a project on Android Studio. Just put something like hello tag or maybe buttons in it and then run the project to test it. And in the end, we're gonna also learn how to launch it on an emulator or an Android device. So let's get started. I am assuming that you have set up Android Studio. If not, you can go to browser. I was just looking for it. So Android Studio. I'm working on Mac. If you're on Windows, you can also download for Windows. So download it, install it, and after that, for creating the project, we go to Android Studio. Okay. It's gonna launch. So it sets up many things in the backend. So go to start new Android project. So it's gonna start a new project for which you can give a name for the application. Okay, so this is the application's name. This is the application's name which will be shown on the Android device. Like you click on WhatsApp, Facebook. These are the name of the applications which they would have also set up while creating it right here. So this is going to be our like first application or maybe first Android. So okay, alright, saying project location should not contain white spaces. That's better if you don't keep it. So I'm gonna save it somewhere else. Just to keep things simple, I'm gonna save it on my desktop. Alright, it's gone now. Okay, click next. So it's be when you create your application, you set up. This is mainly for launching the application on Play Store. So you need to set up minimum SDK, which is like the people or who have mobile phones with Android 4.0.3. So there are still many people in the world who still have it. So if you don't set it up as minimum or you set it up like Android Lollipop, so you will skip those users. So it's better if you work with this. This is the recommended minimum SDK, so it covers all the users in the entire universe. So it says that it's 100% of devices. Okay, let's go to next. These are advanced topic. Okay, so these are kind of templates for application. So if you need a basic activities are like classes, Java classes. They're built of Java classes. So you need full screen. Let's get started with a very basic clean activity, that is empty activity, which we will learn how to fill in. So I'm going to click next. What name? Let's keep it main activity. This is going to be the name of the Java class, and this is going to be the name of XML class. So I'm going to teach you how and what both of these are. See, it has created a folder for you. It builds the project, and it uses very nice building tool known as Gradle. It's amazing. We can read about it someday. It's amazing. You should look into it. I hope you guys have some background in coding because it's gonna help. But in the very beginning, you don't need that much. But just to play around here, we are just having it do everything for us. Okay, it seems like we are done. I'm gonna close this tip. Alright, so let it run its processes. I'm gonna make it full screen. Okay. Alright, the project structure. So this is your app. This is the Gradle script. Let's go to app. Oh, it's still running there. Alright, it's done. So the app has three sections here: the manifest, Java, and the rest. This is like resources for your applications. Let's start with manifest. Manifest is like a rulebook for our application. So whatever you put in here is implemented in your whole application. So see, this is the application tag, the name of your application which you entered in the very beginning. So the icon, you can also change its icon. I'll let you know in a while. So these are like advanced topic. So we go to our main activity. Okay, so main activity is a Java class which extends app compat activity. Let's forget about it right now. So main focus is like it's setting your view as activity main. So activity main is an XML file which is stored in the res folder, and inside that the layout, click on activity main. So this is how your application will look if you launch it right now. So this is visual. So you can go to text. So it's a text view with hello world inside it. Let's manipulate it a little bit. Let's change it to maybe first, or maybe my first Android application. So that's nice. Also, just for fun, I'm gonna make a edit field, edit text. So you see this width and height. This is like the width and height of the view that you're putting up there. Like text view had a wrap content and wrap content as width and height. That means its size would be equal to the text inside it. So if it goes very long, so it's gonna be long. So it's dependent on that. So I'm gonna make it width equal to, let's make it to the parent. So match parent, it's gonna be equal to whole width. See, did you see that? It went like that. And height is, so gonna make height as, let's make it 20 dp. dp is 20, like display pixel. I would go with 30 dp. You see the changes are seen right here. It's amazing update. Still asking for something. I think we don't need this. Okay. Oh, it's gone now. Okay. So for now we're okay with this. So we can enter anything inside edit text. Let's do one more thing. Let's give it like a hint. Android hint, enter some text. That's better. Oh, it's kind of going there. Not showing properly. Never mind. Let's make it relative layout. So relative layout is like everything here is adjusted relative to everything else. So okay, I need to make this also relative layout. Okay, so now you see they're overlapping. For that, what we need to do is make edit text adjust below text view, so we don't have any ID for it. Let me remove this extra things. Let's give it an ID. ID. Go to I'm gonna make a text view so that I can refer it here. Okay, like layout below ID text view. Okay. Alright, so let's increase its width. Oh, it's better now. Okay. I think now we're good to go. Still, I'll walk you through some things which are important here. Okay, so relative view is like this is the complete view. It can be relative, linear, or constraint layout that we saw right now, and many other things. So for that, I can help you a little bit. So it's like layout and right. Google. They have beautiful documentation for that. All right, that's what we want. See, layouts. We have relative, linear. Well, these are like very basic, so we need them mostly. And web view. So relative is like things can be of different sizes, can be adjusted anywhere on the screen. However, the linear is like vertical or horizontal alignment. So let's go here. I'm sorry about those web pages. I was looking into it. I'm gonna see what happens if I run it. I cannot show you my device, so I'm gonna run it on my emulator. Really nice. So I don't have it set up, so I'm gonna show how to set up it as well. On your Android device, all you need to do is like connect your device from USB, go to developers option of your Android device, go to USB debugging, enable it, connect it, your device will be shown here and run it. That's how it is done. Let's go with the latest phone. Next. Emulator is like a virtual Android device. Okay, so I don't have any of these SDK. Let's see if we have anything for it. Next. Install XM, so can we like okay, next. It's like a graphic driver for emulator. Seems like it's done. I'm gonna pause the video for a while just so that it can install it.